In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo using the Wix Logo Maker. Whether you are starting a new business or looking to rebrand, having a distinctive logo is crucial for establishing your brand identity. Fortunately, the process is intuitive and straightforward with the tools that Wix provides. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your web browser and head over to wix.com/logo/maker. This will bring you to the main homepage of the Wix Logo Maker, where you can craft a logo tailored to your brand's unique style. Once you're on the web page, look for the button labeled Get My Logo. This is your gateway to exploring the customization options Wix offers, so go ahead and click on it. After that, you'll be prompted with an option that says Create a Logo. Click on that to begin the exhilarating journey of bringing your logo concept to life. This initiates the design process, which is guided step by step to ensure you cover all the elements needed for a well-rounded logo. You might notice an option for creating with or without chat. For this tutorial, we'll opt to Create Without Chat. This choice allows us to remain focused on the visual elements of the logo without additional text input features. Next, you'll be asked to provide information about your business. In the section labeled, What type of business do you have? Type in the nature of your business. Clearly defining your business type can guide the design elements, making sure that your logo aligns with the industry standards while still standing out. Once you've entered your business type, click on Next. This will bring you to a screen asking about the vibe you want your logo to exude. Here you can choose from a variety of visual styles and impressions that you want your brand to convey to its audience. From playful to professional or modern to classic, there's a spectrum of vibes to pick from that best matches your brand identity. After selecting the vibe, click Next once more. This will take you to the text entry stage. Here, type in the exact name or text you want to feature in your logo. This will typically be your business name or a key brand identifier. Once you've input your logo text, click Next again. Then, you'll be prompted to add a tagline or slogan to your logo if you have one. A snappy or memorable slogan can add depth to your logo and make it more memorable to your audience. After typing in your tagline, hit Done. And there you have it. Wait for the page to load and a variety of logo designs will be generated, each tailored to your inputs and preferences. From here, you can further customize and save your favorite options. With Wix Logo Maker, the path from idea to a polished, professional logo is as simple as that. Enjoy creating.